it's important to quantify the benefits of these kinds of solutions to make them really that much more powerful. So the nice thing in this scenario was, unlike just promotional blasts for unwanted services, this contextual proactive care can really help airlines upsell services that generate additional revenue. The optional service there could really translate into millions of dollars of new revenue for airlines by inserting that simple option into that particular interaction. And any opportunity to increase the positive experiences for travelers really does help with customer retention and hopefully creating some brand champions that really sing the praises of that particular airline. That particular customer, you're using their preferred channel for communication, so you're making it that much more personal, that much more relevant to that traveler, and those are all great things. So finally, I would like you to consider a utility customer who's getting a new smart meter installed. So instead of getting a simple reminder notification that would take the customer, let me build this for you, that would make the customer call back to reschedule or start over to main menu, or like we talked about, the more expensive option, connect to an agent, the Complete Care solution leverages that existing IVR application to reschedule the appointment. I'm going to give you one final audio file to listen to.
Hello? Hello, this is Bright Electric. We are planning to install your smart meter tomorrow between 9 and 11 a.m. Is this still a convenient time for you?
No, actually not.
Would you like to reschedule the appointment?
Yes, please.
Okay. Tell me the date that would work better for your schedule.
August 4th.
Thursday, August 4th. In the morning, afternoon, or evening?
Morning.
All right, I'll check availability. Okay, we have rescheduled your smart meter installation at 75 Park Avenue for August 4th between 9 and 11 a.m.
There are some real benefits to that type of interaction that I talked about, not the least of which is saving customers time and leveraging that existing IVR application that's already built. Now, when you take this one step further, one thing that we know happens once a smart meter is installed is that the customer's bill looks very different. It goes from being potentially one or two line items of an estimated meter read or an actual reading that's done once a month to potentially as much as pages and pages of information that shows meter readings taken every 15 minutes with a new smart meter that has digital information. So to head off that information once in an appropriate period of time after that meter's been installed, send an email to thank them for their business and say that your bill's going to look different now. Anticipate that and preemptively get on top of that and give them some FAQs that will hopefully address some of their questions and deflect the rush of calls that many utilities have seen after they initially install those meters. So again, we can take those benefits and really quantify them. There's a hard cost for a utility truck going out to a customer site and the customer not being there. So the cost of that missed appointment and having to resend out a truck at a different time is real. And then if you start quantifying the amount of customers that would have called back with questions about their bills or ended up talking to an agent to make that to reschedule that appointment, you start really getting to some dollars that matter to the business. So we're really excited about the opportunity that we see here in the Nuance Enterprise Division. Our mission is to help companies earn happy, loyal customers through great service experiences. And we do that through automation. And we've really revolutionized how businesses interact with and solve problems for their consumers. and how consumers access their personal business information. And we've done so through very natural interactions over traditional voice channels, through email and SMS. And our services team has deep vertical understanding of customer experiences. So they have really unique insights into caller experience and design and integration. So it gives us this really unique lens to look at the opportunity for continually improving customer service related metrics and customer service experiences. And we have focused on 4 specific verticals in terms of complete care focus, because we've seen very real challenges that we've been exposed to through our work with our customers, and have identified specific concerns that we can address. So we develop vertical solutions that deliver real business value to enterprises and decrease the customer effort. And based on our experience in this market, we truly believe that this is what consumers are clamoring for, or what companies should be delivering in the coming period of time. Because as we've talked about in the beginning, meeting those customer expectations, which are changing, the enterprise is going to have to continue to improve how they interact with their customers and how they make the service experience, how they really decrease the effort put on the customer to get service. We are packaging specific solutions, and you can see them here, to make it easier for companies to implement these solutions that drive results. So in close, we're just very excited to continue to evolve the automated customer experience to meet the needs of today's consumers and enterprises. I appreciate you all listening. If you have additional questions, we'll reach out to you with a follow-up information with the presentation, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions at that particular time. My email address, which I didn't put up here, is christy.murfitt@nuance.com. And thanks so much. Have a great day.